Now I'll show you the Bheeja mantra with the Surya Namaskara, 12 steps and the 12 Bheeja mantra, which will be useful for you. I'll show you the one round. Please do watch, take your vlogs, or you can just watch, then you can follow. Fine. Om Ram Mitraya Namaha. You will see the Bheeja mantra first, then you will do the step. Om Hrim Ravaye Namaha. Om Hrum Suryaya Namaha. Om Haim Bhanave Namaha. Om Hraum Khagaya Namaha. Om Rah Pushne Namaha. Om Ram Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Hrim Marichaye Namaha. Om Hrum Adityaya Namaha. Om Haim Savitre Namaha. Om Hraum Arkaya Namaha. Om Rah Bhaskaraya Namaha. So this is how you do the Surya Namaskara with Bheeja mantra in every step. If you cannot do this, you can chant the mantra completely, then do the 12 steps of Surya Namaskara. And with the good pronunciation, it will really help you a lot. Always chant louder. Do not chant in your mind. It doesn't give you any kind of improvement. Please do chant loudly. Mistakes will happen. Please do correct your mistakes. Any kind of a help from my end I can do, please drop a message. So this is all about the Surya Namaskara with the Bheeja mantra. I hope this will be very useful for you and you will make use of it. And please share with your friends, share with your family. Let's spread the positivity, let's spread the love and the humbleness. Thank you so much. Keep blessed, stay blessed. Sarve Jiva Sukhino Bhavantu.